If you want people to stay and watch your videos, you need to script your videos in these 3 steps. Step number 1, the hook. A hook is the very first line in your script. It's meant to hook the viewer to continue watching your video. When a viewer starts watching your video, you've got about 3 to 5 seconds to convince them that they should both stay and continue watching that video. Now this is called a hook. So take this video for example. The title is how to write the perfect YouTube script. So naturally your expectation is to learn how to write a darn good YouTube script that'll have your viewers stay and watch your videos. So since that's your expectation, I've got about 3 to 5 seconds to confirm that that is indeed what this video is about. Now here's the hook once again from the video. Now see if it indeed confirms the expectation that you have on this video. So remember, the hook needs to confirm the viewer's expectation and prove that it's worth their time to stay and watch. Moving on to step number 2. The value. So now that you've convinced the viewer that this is the video that they're looking for, it's time for you to deliver on that promise. You delivering on that promise is the actual value that you promise to teach them. That is the content of your video. Now the value in this video, for example, is teaching you how to write the perfect YouTube script. And I'm currently doing that since we are on step 2 out of step 3. And if you didn't feel like you were getting value from this video, chances are that you wouldn't still be here, right? And then finally, step number 3. The need. When your viewer first came to your video, they did so for a reason. They had a specific need.